In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward restricted messages in Telegram. Telegram includes a privacy feature called Restrict Saving Content that channel and group administrators can turn on to protect posts. When this setting is enabled, forwarding, saving media, and copying content may be blocked. It's designed to respect the creator's control over how their messages are shared, and it's important to honor those choices. If you are trying to share something valuable from a restricted channel, the key is to do it in a way that stays within Telegram's rules and the creator's intentions. First, check whether the original post has a shareable link. On many public channels, specific messages have public URLs that you can send to someone so they can view the post directly in Telegram or via the web. If a link is available, this is the cleanest and most respectful way to share. If here is no shareable link, consider reaching out to the channel or group admins and politely requesting permission to share. Often, creators are happy to provide a version that can be forwarded. Or they may publish a duplicate post with sharing enabled for broader distribution. This approach keeps credit intact and avoids misunderstandings. Another option is to summarize the information in your own words. Instead of copying media or text, write a brief recap that captures the key points and clearly attribute the source. This is especially useful for news, announcements, or instructions where the core idea matters more than the exact wording. Keep your summary fair and accurate and avoid reproducing protected images or files. For your personal reference, you can keep notes in your saved messages. Jot down the main takeaway. Add a reminder or include the date and context so you can find it later. This keeps you organized without redistributing restricted content. It's worth noting that using third-party tools or bots to bypass content restrictions or taking screenshots to redistribute protected posts may violate platform rules and the rights of creators. Beyond the ethical concerns, these methods can put your account at risk and undermine the trust that makes communities work. To recap, when you encounter a restricted message, respect the setting. Look for an official share link if one exists, ask for permission when appropriate, and share a summarized takeaway in your own words with clear attribution. These practices keep you compliant, maintain good relationships with creators, and still let you pass along what matters most. Thanks for watching.